Hi there, welcome to Trading School, powered by Tradingswala. Today's topic, margin trading. Those who touched with stock market once a time listen about this topic. Today we will know about what is margin trading. Is it profitable to a broker and trader like us? And how does margin trading work? We will know all details about this topic. Firstly, what is margin trading? So, margin trading is a method of trading assets using funds provided by third party like broker, and it allows traders to access great sums of capital and allowing them to leverage their positions. So it's suspicious? Let's understand. Assume trader trades with their own money into stock market. Now trader want more money to invest into stock market. Suppose say 10 lakh, but they just have 1 lakh rupees. Now they will need 9 lakh more. Now they think they can borrow money from third party. So they are borrowing money from broker. Now they have a deal with broker and trader borrowing 9 lakh rupees. Now trader have 10 lakh rupees and they want to invest this money into stock market. After investing this money into stock market, if the stock result to a profit, then trader have the profitable amount and brokerage amount deducted from their profitable amount, and trader will get a huge profit. But if the stock result to a loss, then trader will lose from their own capital. Still the brokerage amount will be deducted from their own capital and trader can face a huge loss. But in both of these cases, profit and loss, the broker earn money from brokerage and they have no loss. Presenting RMS or risk management system. RMS were introduced to safeguard of the margin money which is borrowed from brokers by a trader. Why RMS is important in stock market trading, and by RMS you can understand why broker don't have any loss. How? Let's start. In the loss scenario, after 70 to 90% loss of trader's own capital, their whole position will square off and broker will take their own money back from trader. Brokerage calculation. Suppose a lot or 100 quantity of crude oil, current price is 4,000. So total value 100 multiply 4,000 is equal to 4 lakh. To buy this a lot crude oil, trader just need 4,000 for delivery purpose. For intraday trades, 4,000 is enough to take the same positions on crude oil. Risk 36,000 can take as exposure from broker. Volume from crude oil trades. As buy price is 4,000, so buy volume is 4 lakh. Sell volume is also 4 lakh, same as buy volume. So total volume buy plus sell is equal to 8 lakh. Brokerage charges. Let's assume brokerage charges is 0.02% for intraday trading. So trader have to pay the total brokerage of rupees 160 for crude oil. Let's see how much money broker earn from brokerage with minimum trades. If a trader trades minimum 4 times in a single day with exposure, hence the broker investment is 36,000 in each time and their earning from brokerage is 160 multiply 4 is equal to 640. As we know, there are 20 minimum trading days in a month, so total brokerage earning is 640 multiply 20 is equal to 12,800. Finally, we could see that return of a broker investment. Investment is equal to 36,000, return is equal to 12,800, which is 35% of monthly approximation. So, as a conclusion, we can see if a trader apply margin trading with technical analysis, then it can give them a huge profit. But without any analysis, if a trader done this, they can face a huge loss also. As a note, for any circumstances, the broker don't have any loss, as we already saw that. To learn more about stock market with interesting topic, join Trading School. Thanks for watching this video.